Hi Cancer, I'm Anisha and you can also visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast on love and relationships. The reason for doing this video is it is just not possible to try and condense the entire information in the monthly capsule that I do. So I'm trying to break it up into sections and I'm picking up love and relationships this month. The idea is to help you give some clarity at this particular area of your life, and I do hope it is of some help to you. So Cancer, this month we start with a beautiful full moon that is there on the 8th, and it would see you socializing quite a bit. You are communicating with friends. You are not just at your workplace but also at your personal spaces. There's a lot of regrouping happening. There's a lot of friends that are popping up from the past, people you haven't met in a long time. It's a lovely time to be catching up with your friends and sharing ideas. The only snag over here, Cancerian, is that you have to watch your speech this month very carefully. Be very careful as to the words that you use, especially in closest partnerships, and they can be partnerships of any sort. It just doesn't have to pertain to your closest partnerships, as in a love thing. It could also extend to a friend. So be careful of your speech, be careful of the words that you use. Try not to be too hasty or too harsh. You may also meet somebody very interesting this month through your group of friends, and you may want to take this relationship further than just being friends. So all the best over there. It's a great time. Mid-month we have the Grand Earth trine that is happening. That is 4 planets which are aligning at a 120 degrees. So we have a Mars that is at a 9 degree to Virgo, we have Pluto which is at a 9 degree to Capricorn, and we have Jupiter and Venus that are conjuncting in Taurus at a 9 degree. So there's a 999. It's a beautiful energy at this point of time. It is very transformational. So anything new or any effort that you start or put in at this point of time will yield tremendous results. So do not ignore 14th March as something frivolous. Make good use of this energy. Try and maybe if it's been a pattern that you've been trying to break, a new habit that you've been trying to form, or a diet regime or a health regime, it's a great time for you. Some of you could be having discussions with an authority figure. It could be with your father or it could be with a management as well. But I see a lot of you discussing with your father or with your parents about a higher education. Maybe you want to go outside and you study, and you've been trying to convince your parents about it. It's not a very easy conversation, and you can expect a lot of arguments. That is quite alright, and you don't have to worry too much about it because it will get sorted, but you just need to stay very calm, Cancerians. If you're trying to convince, or if you're trying to have your parents pick up a loan for you, or fund you for your education overseas, you really need to be putting your case forward in the gentlest way possible. So it's a lovely month. Have a good month, and I'll see you again in April, and thank you so much for